always fun. I'm seeing you in a bit, man. It's always good to see you. See some people I just saw a couple of days ago, man. Great to see you. I don't know, here, something new. Let's check it out. My name is Robinson Treacher. She says Treacher. By the way, don't change that, Debbie. Every time I come in, she says Treacher. It sounds cooler and like I should have a knife. Like a gun. And because I'm originally from New York, I do. Have a knife. You guys are all gun people. I'm a knife guy. Put me with the butterfly knife, watch out. I'll cut you twice before, I'm a real peaceful guy. Here's a song about happiness. So this will prove I'm a real kind dude. Here go my happiness, walking out the door. Took all my confidence, and now it's all shot. I say, oh, King Cole was a million soul, a million souls here. Oh, wish he'd share some of that happiness with me. Yeah. Here come that emptiness, that old familiar pain. Don't make but a lick of sense, but I can feel it just the same. Well, I woke last night to a terrible sight, a whipping push on my door. Well, I love her again, cooperating nevermore. Tell myself I'm standing here blind, just looking for a sign. Here come that happiness, my arms are open wide. I feel the beauty I possess welling up on deep inside. With Mr. Shakespeare's line burning on my mind, to thine own self be true. Oh, can I share some of that happiness with you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please let me share some of that happiness.